And moving on now, actress Sophia Bush was in the neighborhood over the weekend, hosting a charity event at Unleashed, which is a dog boarding facility. She's in town shooting NBC's Chicago PD, and it turns out the cast actually spent a week with members of the SWAT team in Chicago. Take a listen.
To get ready for the show, we did a full week of boot camp with intelligence officers and the SWAT team, and so we got the real inside scoop on what they're investigating, where they're working, what's going on, what neighborhoods deal in what kind of issues. It's intense. There's a lot that most of us don't know about what those men and women are doing to keep us safe.
She also talked about her favorite restaurants in the city and how she's dealing with this brutal Chicago winter. Go online for more from Sophia Bush.